Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will look at some method of input and output. We will allow the users to input some values into text boxes which will store in variables, then we'll do some calculation with these variables and output the result to a label. In our example, we will write an event procedure to get the sum of two numbers. The user will input a number in each text boxes, and then when we click the button, the sum of two numbers will show at the label. Okay, we have these two text boxes. First, click this one and then change the name here. I change it to text num1 for the first input number. Then same here, text num2. Then the button as btn sum, and then the label as lbl result. Okay, now let's double click the button. Okay, first we must think what kind of variable we need. Since we're getting a number, we must have a variable integer. Okay, let's write it on the top. Dim num1 num2 as integer. Okay, now we'll call the num1 and num1 is equal to txt num1.x. Same here, num2 is equal to txt num2.x. To see the output in the label, lbl result is equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, oops, then let's put a text here. Okay, after that, let's debug or run the program to see what it looks like. Okay, first input the first number, 4, second number is 2, then click the button compute and see the result shows at the label. Okay, and that's all for this tutorial. See you on next tutorial. Thank you.